Hello everyone. First of all, happy National Statistics Day, which is celebrated on 29th June every year. Father of Indian statistics, Sri Prasanta Chandra Mahalanobis. So today is very amazing day for us. Nothing but we are going to celebrate our National Statistics Day. So please viewers follow the video till the end for more updates information regarding statistics day, and some of the images have been given, so please follow. Government of India is celebrated National Statistics Day on 29th June on the birth anniversary of Professor Sri PC Mahalanobis. The National Statistics Day is celebrated to create the awareness about the role of statistics in socio-economic planning and policy formulation. So nothing but it plays important role in the economic sector for the science students, biological science students, and social science students, and various departments, as you know very well, in the school field also. So next, history. The National Statistics Day was first celebrated on 29th June 2007. So Prasant Chandra Mahalanobis, he was born on 29th June 1893. The Government of India decided to celebrate the outstanding contributions made by the late Professor Sri P.C. Mahasar in the field of economic planning and statistical development, and hence mark his birth anniversary as National Statistics Day. Now the general question arises, who is Professor Sri Prasanta Chandra Mahalanobis? So Professor Sri P.C. Mahasar is known as the father of Indian statistics. He was born on 29 June 1893, an Indian statistician and scientist. He devised a measure of comparison between the data sets that are now known as Mahalanobis distance. His contribution to large scale surveys is huge. He was a pioneer in the anthropometry studies and in pilot surveys. He was a member of the Planning Commission, which Planning Commission 1956 to 61, and gave two sector input output model for the second 5-year plan, which later became known as the Nehru Mahalanobis model. So next, as you know very well that statistics plays important role in the school studies. In the primary, for the primary students, it is for data handling. In generally, statistics meant for pictographs, bar graphs, and various applications we have, mean, median, and mode, ranges, and in the higher studies, correlation, dispersion, etc. So various applications in the various fields. Statistics has a very much importance. Next, he founded Indian Statistical Institute, abbreviated as ISI, in December 1931 in Kolkata. So this is the prestigious institute for the statistical learners, and many of the institutes such as Hyderabad Central University or any national or state level universities, they are offering statistical studies courses. Okay, OR, nothing but operations research, which is nothing but it is related to statistics. In the various universities, it is a course, OR, operational research, and advanced operational research. Next, on Statistics Day, every year the educational institutions and various organizations, they will conduct various quiz competitions, essay writing, elocution, etc., to get the awareness and motivation regarding statistics. In Telugu it is called Sankhyaaka Shastram. Let us go through the awards. So he has gone through 3 prestigious awards. First one is Padma Vibhushan 1968. You know very well about Padma Vibhushan. In the year 1968 he has taken. Next, second one, Weldon Memorial Prize in 1944 by the Oxford University. Next, last but not the least, Fellow of Royal Society. Nothing but in London in the year 1945. Like this, he was awarded 3 prestigious prizes, awards. So PC sir is very famous regarding statistics. He is regarded as father of Indian statistics. So National Statistics Day is celebrated on 29th June. So hope that you followed my video in a good way. So most of the data I have given, still much will be there regarding statistics, and our PC sir Mahalanobis. So finally, Sri Prasanta Chandra Mahalanobis passed away on 28th June 1972. So like this, in this span, he has made various contributions related to statistics. So please viewers, thanks for following my video. After watching this, please share and share to your near and dear. Like it if you feel good. At the same time, comment nothing but blessings, suggestions in the comment box, and share to your near and dear. Still, those who did not subscribe my channel, please do it by pressing the bell icon to get the more and more updates. Thank you. See you all.